Do you want to build a gaming PC that combines performance, style, and feature readiness? Then stick around until the end. Today, I'll show you a perfectly balanced build where every component fits just right. This graphics card is a real powerhouse for 1440p gaming. With 12GB of GDDR7 memory, it gives you more than enough VRAM for modern titles and future-proof bandwidth thanks to PCIe 5. What really stands out is how efficient and quiet it runs, perfect for anyone aiming for a silent setup. Compared to the RTX 4070, it offers more advanced memory tech and a noticeable performance bump in ray tracing games. If you care about high frame rates and stunning visuals, this card is a winner. Make sure to check the links in the description for the best deal. The Ryzen 7 5800X is still a solid all-rounder, especially if you're building on AM4. It delivers excellent performance for gaming, video editing, and streaming alike. You get stable power draw and strong multi-core handling. Want to see more builds like this one? Subscribe for more PC building tips, and hey, if you're enjoying this video, give us a thumbs up. This motherboard is a true bang for your buck option. It supports the Ryzen 5000 series, includes two M.2 slots, one with PCIe 4, and comes with a solid VRM design. The cooling setup is well thought out, which is great for long gaming sessions. What's missing? Wi-Fi needs to be added separately if needed. Otherwise, it's fully loaded. RAM is your PC's short-term memory, and with 16GB running in dual channel at 3200 MHz, you're set for any current game. That amount is more than enough for smooth multitasking and high-performance gameplay. The 990 Pro is one of the fastest SSDs on the market. Whether you're installing games, loading big projects, or just want a snappy system, you'll get lightning-fast load times and top-tier reliability here. If you're looking for quiet yet efficient cooling, the PureRock Slim 3 is a great pick. It stays pleasantly quiet and keeps your CPU cool even under load, without taking up much space in your case. A good power supply is the heart of your system, and this one delivers strong, stable power with high efficiency. The 80+ gold rating means less heat and lower electricity usage. Thanks to fully modular cables, your case stays clean and tidy. This case doesn't just look good, it's smartly designed too. It offers plenty of space for modern components, solid cable management, and clean airflow, all wrapped in a sleek glass panel finish. Put all these components together like we did in this build, and you've got a high-performance gaming PC that's ready for both today and tomorrow. Don't forget, all the product links are in the video description if you want to buy them directly. Leave a comment if you have questions or want to share your setup, and be sure to subscribe for more awesome PC builds. See you in the next one.